Welcome to New Science Hub. Wishing you all a very happy New Year and happy Pongal and Makar Sankranti. 2022 was a landmark year in many ways in terms of scientific milestones, like agreement to combat climate change, unlocking of the black hole's riddles, and the launch of a mission that could return people to the moon. This is just to name a few. Researchers who were relentless in their quest for knowledge about the unknown make the world a better place. Now let's take a look at all the scientific milestones which was done during the year 2022. This is a random order and I'm just going to list out few. We'll start with James Webb Telescope. This was launched on Christmas Eve in 2021. The Webb Space Telescope traveled close to 150,000 kilometers away from home and began science operations in 2022. The world's most powerful observatory looked deep into the universe with the capability to look as far back as early moments just after the Big Bang. NASA launched much awaited Artemis 1. This was launched on a debut flight to the moon. The 25.5 day-long mission marked the beginning of our journey back to the moon. This time with plans to stay a longer than before and push forward to Mars. The Artemis 1 mission is the bedrock of future crewed missions to the lunar surface as humanity plans to transcend the boundaries beyond Earth. The proteins have been a challenge for scientists for decades due to the unique and confounding 3D structures made from amino acids. Marking a new era in understanding the evolutionary process of our species, artificial intelligence predicted the structure of nearly all human proteins. The AI AlphaFold, developed by Google's DeepMind, has gathered the database of the genomic instructions and is making it all available online for researchers to use free of cost. Fusion energy has made big breakthroughs. Scientists like Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California announced in December that they had produced the first fusion reaction that created more energy than was used to start it. The long elusive achievement marked a major breakthrough in harnessing the process that fuels the sun. As we all know, fusion involves pushing together two nuclei of a lightweight element such as hydrogen at a colossal speed, forcing them to fuse. The leftover mass is converted into an enormous amount of energy, according to Einstein's formula E is equal to mc squared. It's a technology that has the potential to one day accelerate the planet's shift away from fossil fuels, which are a major contribution to climate change. The technology has long struggled with daunting challenges. Back to astronomy now, the first image of black hole in our galaxy has been seen. A black hole and its shadow have been captured in an image for the first time, a historic feat by an international network of radio telescopes called the Event Horizon Telescope. Because the black hole is about 27,000 light years away from the Earth, it appears to us to have about the same size in the sky as a donut on the moon. To image it, the team created the powerful EHT which linked together 8 existing radio observatories across the planet to form a single Earth-sized virtual telescope. That's wonderful. Coming back to planet Earth, countries from across the world congregated at 2 of the biggest United Nations summits as they look for ways to save the planet, limit damage to the environment and save biodiversity. Countries came together to nod to the fact that developing countries need funds from developed nations to fight climate change. Pakistan, Ghana and Bangladesh will be among the first recipients of funding from a G7 Global Shield initiative. This is something big, hitting and changing the asteroid path in what could be one of the biggest achievements in space exploration. A human-made spacecraft banged into an asteroid and altered its path, giving Earth a unique planetary defense system. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test or DART mission deliberately crashed into an asteroid and nudged the rocky moonlet out of its natural orbit. The suicide test flight of DART spacecraft on September 26 achieved its primary objective of changing the direction of an asteroid to sheer kinetic force. In what could be the first instance of modern human meeting the first Neanderthal family, that means our ancient ancestors, researchers for the first time sequenced multiple individuals from a remote Neanderthal community in Siberia. The international team of researchers from the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology was able to use the 13 genomes to provide a glimpse into the social organization of a Neanderthal community that lived way back about 400,000 to 40,000 years ago across Europe and Southwest and Central Asia.